Okay, our topic for today is all about the conic section parabola in calculus. Parabola. A parabola is the set of all points in a plane equidistant from a fixed point focus and a fixed line directrix. The vertex of parabola. The vertex of parabola is the point midway between the focus and the directrix, or the midpoint of the shortest line segment from the focus to the directrix. The axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is the line through the vertex, and the focus of the parabola is called axis of parabola. The latus rectum. Latus rectum is the chord of parabola through the focus and the perpendicular to the axis. Parabola with vertex at the origin 0, 0. So this is the properties of parabola when its vertex is at the 0, 0 or at the origin of the graph. So we have the equation, directrix, focus, axis of symmetry, endpoint of latus rectum, and the concavity. Example, y is squared is equal to 16x. The given is form of the y squared is equal to 4ax. So in these properties, we use the equation, this equation, y squared is equal to 4ax. The given is form of y is squared is equal to 4ax. So to get the value of a, since it is 16, so 4a is equal to 16, and divide both sides by 4. So our a, or the value of a, is 4. And the focus is at 4, 0, with vertex is 0, 0, and the directrix is -4, and the axis of symmetry is y is equal to 0, and the end point of latus rectum is 4 and -8 and 4 and 8. The concavity of our graph is open to the right. So let's try to graph our equation. Y squared is equal to 16x. Y squared 16x. So this is the graph of our example. So remember that our focus is 4. Our focus is 4, this line, this point. And remember that our directrix is the opposite of the focus. From the origin or the vertex, we have 4 units to the focus. Since the directrix is opposite to the focus, we count 4 units again to the directrix. So this is our directrix, -4. And in latus rectum, we multiply the value of a into, we multiply the value of a into 2. So our latus rectum is we have, wait, we have, since our directrix is here, x is equal to -4, and the focus is here. Focus is 4 and 0, and the latus rectum is this point, because the value of a is 4, and we multiply 4 into 2, So that's why we count 8 unit to this side and there's this side. So that's why our latus rectum is, we have 4 and positive 8, and here we have 4 and negative 8. So that's the graph of our example number 1, or the properties in the vertex is at the origin of the graph.